In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide the Grammarly icon from your screen. Maybe you've found the floating Grammarly icon a little intrusive, or perhaps it's simply cluttering up your view on certain websites. Whatever the reason, I'm here to show you how to keep your writing space clean while still benefiting from Grammarly's helpful corrections. Let's start with the simplest scenario, hiding the icon from a single text box. Perhaps there's a specific comment box or form field that's just too small, and you want the icon gone from just that spot. First, you'll want to hover your mouse directly over the floating Grammarly icon in the corner of the text box. As you do this, you'll notice a small power icon appearing on the setting card that slides out. Go ahead and click that power icon. This will give you a couple of options. You can choose to turn off the icon until your next visit, or you can turn it off permanently for that specific text field. This way, the icon will be hidden only in that particular box, allowing you to make the most of your writing space without distractions. Now, if you want to hide the icon completely across all websites, you can do that too. Begin by clicking the Grammarly extension icon located in your browser's top toolbar. This will bring up a pop-up panel. In this panel, you'll want to look for an option labeled Writing Suggestions or Show Floating Assistant. You'll see a switch next to this option. All you need to do is toggle this switch to Off. With this done, the floating circle icon will vanish entirely from all websites. However, don't worry, Grammarly is still working in the background. It will continue to scan your text and display correction lines when you make an error, so you'll still get the benefit of Grammarly's corrections without the floating icon taking up space. These steps are a great way to customize your browsing and writing experience. Whether you're drafting an important email or simply writing a comment, having the option to hide the Grammarly icon can make your workspace feel more open and less cluttered. Remember, you can always reverse these settings at any time if you decide you miss having the icon handy. Just toggle the switch back on, and it will reappear as before. By following these easy steps, you can enjoy a cleaner, more organized digital workspace while still harnessing the power of Grammarly's editing tools. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy writing.